Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to secure your REST APIs. Okay, so already we have discussed some of the methods. This is I guess fourth video. So where we are going to learn about the next method, that is HTTPS. Okay, so basically HTTPS is basically this, you can say, about where you can encrypt your data, like the secure SSL. You should apply to your server. Okay, otherwise it's running on the HTTP, so it's better. Currently here you can see it's not HTTP, right? So how to secure it? We have to go with the HTTPS. So we have to use HTTPS to encrypt the data in the transit, right? You can use the setup HTTPS using the Node.js built-in modules or the reverse proxy like Nginx. For the development purposes, you can create a self-signed certificates. Okay, so you have to generate the certificates and you have to use the HTTPS. So which module you have to use? This is the HTTPS you have to use. This is first line that you have to use. After this you have to create the certificates. Okay, so make sure you have to go with your IT person, or if you know how to generate the certificates, so please make sure you have to generate the certificates first. After the certificates has been generated, what we have to do, this is read SSL certificate and the key. So private key, then cert server dot key, then server dot cert, then private key. Okay, so these are the credentials. Then HTTPS creates server with the help of these credentials. Okay, now you are going to run your like Node.js application on the HTTPS, so it will not going to run on the HTTP. Okay, so this is how you can configure your certificates with the SSL and run your project on the HTTPS. Okay, so this is the method. This is how you can do the. Any doubt, if any query you are getting on for adding the certificates, and any issue you are getting on, just do let me know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. So this is another method, that is HTTPS. So make sure when you are trying to make your Node.js secure, so this is the method also, and you can also do with the Nginx or the Apache proxy server. If you are not doing this one, so you can go with the proxy server with the server side, or you can go with the IT person to do this kind of thing. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.